Today I am come with library management solution. So this is a dashboard. Here you can check your income and expenses. After that, here you can check your chat. Here you can find out your emails. So here you can do emails. After that, this is a book issue. So if you want to issue any new book, then you can do it. So here you just need to add a member, book number, issue date, and now. So with this simple form, you can easily uh, issue the book. Or if you want to search any user, then you can search it well. So here you can check the member list. We added a one demo member. So here so you can easily view, edit or delete this user as well. If you want to add any new user, then you can create any user here. So you just need to add some simple data like name, date of birth, gender, religion, email, phone number, blood group, joining date, role, status, and username. So it will be done. After that, here you can find out ebook option. So here you can add your ebook. After that, we have a books. So how much books you had created, that data you will come here. So that data you can check it here. You can edit or delete as well. If you want to add, then you can add as well. You just need to add name, author name, quantity, price, code number, any cover images there, so you can add that images as well. Book category, ISBN number, rack, edition number. So with these details, you can easily manage that. So in your library, how much rack is there? So you can set up rack and you can add books in that rack, or you can manage these things easily. After that, here you can check category. Here you can check your barcode, so you can create barcode as well. So you just need to select category, select book, and then get barcode. So barcode automatically will be generated. After that, here if any member requests for any book, then that data will come here. Then you can approve that, or you can raise any request from behalf of any member as well. After that, here you can check store management. So here you can check store management order. Here you can check store book. If you want to add any, then you can create as well. After that, we have a store book category. So here you can create multiple categories by adding the name, description, cover photo, and status. So you can create easily store book category. After that, we have an email send option. So with these details, you can send to email to any role or any name. You just need to add your message here. You just need to select the template, then it will be done. If you want to send any other mail, then you can send to other email. Here you can check income. So for income from any sources, then you can add that data here, or expenses data you can restore here, or you can add your expenses here. After that, we have a reports. So book report is there, so you can create the category, or you can check the report. So book issue report, member report, ID card report, transaction, and this reports. After that, we have a menu. So here you can check menu. So menu name, menu list, menu icon, and priority. Here you can check it. So here you can make parent menu as well. So this is the things. If you want to generate any staff login, so you can create a staff role once, then you can generate staff login. You just need to add roles once. After adding role, you can manage that. Here you can check your email template. After that, we have a permissions. So you can allow any permission to any staff, then they can manage all the things by like if you allow this role to issue the book, so you just add to so you just need to click on these boxes and then save it, or allow them, or give this access to one user, then that user can easily access all the things. Here you can check permission log data, permission log, or here some settings are there which I am going to show you. So here you can manage these settings here. Ebook download, enable disable, front end enable disable, registration enable disable, so on like that. Here you can set up your delivery charges. After that, we have an email setting. So here you can set up your own SMTP. After that, we have some configuration which you can manage. Or in the last, we have a payment method. So we are using Stripe for Indian payment method, or PayPal for international. So if you have any current questions, then let me know. we already show you the complete demo. Thank you.